If you've ever used the OBS Virtual Camera and now need to remove it from OBS Studio, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fully uninstall the OBS Virtual Camera from your system. The easy way, so you can avoid confusion, free up your workflow, or just keep things tidy on your computer. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to open up your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E at the same time. Once you're inside File Explorer, you'll need to navigate to a specific location on your system. The path is C/Program Files, OBS Studio, SAW Data, SAW OBS, Bus, Plugins, Show. It sounds a bit complex, but really just follow along slowly and you'll be right there in no time. So, let's break that path down. You'll start with C/Program Files. This is where most of your main programs get installed on Windows. Inside Program Files, look for the OBS Studio folder. This is the home base for your OBS program files. Now, click into Data, then into OBS Plugins, and finally the Show folder. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find each folder. Just go one level at a time. If you don't see your program files or OBS Studio folder where you expect, double-check your spelling and make sure you're not in Program Files x86, since OBS usually installs in the regular Program Files folder if you chose default settings. Once you're inside the Show folder, take a look at the files in there. You should see a file called Virtual Cam Uninstall. This file is specifically designed to help you remove the OBS Virtual Camera feature from your system. Right-click this Virtual Cam Uninstall file. Now, what happens next is a little different than double-clicking an app. When you right-click, you'll want to choose Run as Administrator. This step matters because uninstalling system-level features needs administrator permissions. If you see the standard command prompt window pop up, you're in the right place. Here's where it gets interesting. The command prompt is now waiting for you to input something. It might look a bit intimidating if you haven't used it before, but rest assured, you don't need any coding skills here. All you need to do is type anything at all. Literally any text or even just press the spacebar and then hit enter. This tells the uninstaller to proceed. This is a quirky little solution, kind of like an old vending machine. You just need to push a button to get it started. No need for special codes or commands. After you hit enter, the process will run automatically and uninstall the OBS Virtual Camera component. The command prompt should close soon after. If it doesn't, just close it manually. At this point, your OBS Virtual Camera is now removed from your system. If you had OBS Studio open during this process, close it and relaunch it to confirm the changes. The virtual camera option should now be gone, leaving you with a cleaner OBS setup. It's as simple as that. If you ran into any trouble, like errors or missing files, check to see if you have multiple versions of OBS installed, or if you're in the right folder. Sometimes, antivirus software or permission settings can prevent uninstallation, so double-check if anything looks off. I hope this walkthrough made the process straightforward for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. I'll be sure to read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one, and thanks for watching.